There's no magic in Black Magic's intense ceramic product line. Well, maybe a little.
2 products infused with proprietary ceramic shield technology that will keep your car cleaner longer. Introducing Black Magic Intense Ceramic Waterless Car Wash and Ceramic Wheel Cleaner. The 1-2 punch to keep your entire whip looking fresh. Intense Ceramic Waterless Car Wash ticks the boxes with ease of use, non-abrasive clean, and a streak-free shine. The ceramic shield delivers extreme hydrophobicity and lubricity with a layer of UV protection, durable against water spots and pesky contaminants. And it doesn't stop there. This new formulation boosts gloss, giving your car that slick, depthy appearance. All this without water. It's Intense Ceramic Waterless Car Wash, delivering the ultimate wash, shine, and protection. Your wheels are no different than your car, which is why we created the Black Magic Intense Ceramic Wheel Cleaner. Effectively dissolves brake dust and road grime for a streak-free, high-gloss finish. Simply spray on, wipe, and rinse. Just like that, you're done. Black Magic Intense Ceramic is a must-have for any DIY car care enthusiast. The ultimate cleaning and resistance against recontamination for your vehicle's wheels. Keep your car and its wheels looking fantastic longer. Black Magic. Take pride in your ride.